Solar energy. Sunlight carries huge amounts of energy. You can feel the sun's energy when sunlight warms your skin on a summer day. To capture the sun's energy, scientists have developed solar cells called photovoltaic cells. These cells convert sunlight into electricity. Photovoltaic cells comes from the word photo and voltaic. Photo means light and voltaic means electricity. So photovoltaic means electricity from light. When sunlight hits a solar cell, the cell absorbs some of the light energy. Particles in the solar cell move faster, and the movement of these particles creates electricity. In some places, large panels of solar cells harvest sunshine to make electricity for homes and businesses. Solar cells have been placed on cars and appliances too. Solar heat collectors are often placed on rooftops. Water circulates through pipes in panels, and the sun's radiant energy heats the water. The heated water is pumped into a building through more pipes. The heat levels leaves the water and heats the inside of the building. Then the cooled water returns to the rooftop to be heated again. In some areas of the world, such as the southwestern United States, there are many sunny days. In these places, solar cells and solar panels can produce lots of electricity and heat. Since the sun sends abundant free energy streaming toward Earth 24 hours a day, people in many parts of the world, not just the sunniest places, have mounted solar cells and solar panels on the roofs of their houses or businesses to lower their energy costs. Experts say that huge installations of solar panels in sunny regions could generate enough electricity to supply an entire country. Capturing this energy could help overcome our diminishing energy supply. New ways to capture this energy are being developed all the time to maximize efficiency. There are two main problems with solar cells. One is that they are very expensive to manufacture. Their cost makes hydroelectric and fossil fuel power plants a cheaper source of energy. Until inexpensive manufacturing developed for solar cells, this free energy source will continue to come at a high cost to capture and convert it to electricity. The second problem is that not all areas of the world get abundant sunlight. Other sources of energy would be needed as a backup to the solar cells, which adds to overall energy costs. In addition, some people who live near houses that use solar cells and solar panels think the rooftop systems are ugly. They believe the look of solar systems will decrease the value of their homes. Nuclear power. Nuclear power plants unlock the energy inside atoms to generate electricity. Each splitting of an atom releases energy. An atom bomb explodes by creating a very rapid chain reaction. A nuclear power plant uses the radioactive element uranium to create a slow, controlled chain reaction. The energy released by breaking apart uranium atoms is used to heat water into steam. The steam is then used to generate electricity in much the same way that coal power plants produce it. Uranium releases an incredible amount of energy. About 2.2 pounds, 1 kg of uranium, can produce more energy than 6.6 million pounds, 3 million kg of coal. Nuclear power plants have another advantage over coal power plants. They do not produce gases that can pollute the skies or add to global warming. Many people oppose nuclear power because of its dangers. One danger is the possibility of an accident. A nuclear power plant can't explode like an atomic bomb. However, it can have a steam explosion if the core, the area containing the uranium, gets too hot. This would spew out a lot of dangerous radiation. A second danger is the waste material nuclear power plants produce. Even when uranium is no longer useful for generating electricity, it is still highly radioactive. It remains dangerous for thousands of years. Number 6. The author uses a word that means becoming less. Circle the word in the paragraph from the passage that best shows this meaning. Experts say that huge installations of solar panels in sunny regions could generate enough electricity to supply an entire country. Capturing this energy could help overcome our diminishing energy supply. New ways to capture this energy are being developed all the time to maximize efficiency. Number 7. Select the statement that best describes what the first paragraph shows about solar energy. A. Solar energy is the best fuel option. B. Solar energy is available all the time. C. Solar energy is only an option for people who live in sunny areas. D. Solar energy is a form of photovoltaic energy. 8. How does the author develop the idea that nuclear energy, although dangerous, is a good option? A. By using facts that show the amount of energy uranium can produce. B. By comparing a nuclear power plant to an atomic bomb. C. By stating that uranium can remain dangerous for thousands of years. D. By explaining exactly how a nuclear reactor works. Number 9. Read the sentence. Many people oppose nuclear power because of its dangers. What is the most likely meaning of the word oppose? A. Dangerous. B. Against. C. Other side. D. Want. Number 10. Read the sentence. Uranium releases an incredible amount of energy. What does the use of the word incredible tell the reader? A. That nuclear power is the best option. B. That it is hard to believe uranium is so strong. C. That uranium creates more energy than other fuel sources. D. That nuclear energy is safer than many people believe.